Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Nissan Sentra front bumper. First, gather all necessary tools like a screwdriver set, a socket wrench, and a trim removal tool. Make sure you have your new bumper ready and work in a well-lit, safe area. This preparation ensures a smooth and efficient replacement process, saving you time and effort. To begin, carefully locate and remove all fasteners securing the old bumper to your vehicle. These typically include screws, clips, and sometimes bolts found under the wheel wells and along the top edge. Gently pull the bumper away from the car, disconnecting any fog lights or sensors as you go. Take your time to avoid damaging any components. Now, it's time to install your new front bumper. First, reconnect any electrical components, such as fog lights or sensors, to the new bumper. Carefully align the new bumper with the vehicle's mounting points and push it into place. Secure it using all the original fasteners you removed earlier, ensuring a snug and proper fit. Before you finish, perform a few final checks to ensure everything is perfect. Double-check all connections and fasteners to confirm they are secure and tight. Test all lights and sensors to make sure they are functioning correctly. Finally, give your new bumper a good clean for a polished, professional finish. Great job!
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.